Little gears, they twist and turn. Broken hands, they never learn. Ticking louder, can't ignore the time we lost, the cracks we wore. Springs are tangled, hearts misfire, wound too tight, a snapping wire. Tick-tock, 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 fix me if you dare. Pieces scattered everywhere. Tick-tock, tick-tock, pull me apart. Find the break in my clockwork heart. Crystal face, it hides the pain. Scratched and clouded by the rain. A fragile case, a silent plea. Do you have the tools for me? Every cog, it screams your name. Echoes trapped inside the frame. Tick-tock, tick-tock, fix me if you dare. Pieces scattered everywhere. Tick-tock, tick-tock, pull me apart. Find the break in my clockwork heart. The hands don't meet, but they don't let go. A face that cracks with secrets below. Numbers fade like ghosts in the rain. This clock is cursed, it won't explain. Fix me or leave me in pieces. I'm not the time you thought you'd keep. Wind me up but don't release it. I'm just a broken timepiece. Springs unwind with a quiet scream. Shards of hours cut through the dream. A gear turns wrong, it pulls me back to moments lost along the track. The key is rusted, the case won't close. What's inside, nobody knows. Fix me or leave me in pieces. I'm not the time you thought you'd keep. Wind me up but don't release it. I'm just a broken timepiece. The glass is cracked, it distorts the truth. Reflections split like forgotten youth. You hold the tools but you hesitate. Repair or abandon before it's too late. The hands don't move, but the gears still grind. A silent heart with a twisted mind. The glass is cracked, but it still reflects. its own defects, winding up what's left of me, hoping for some clarity. Fix me, I'm falling apart. Every loose screw's a piece of my heart. Can you find the key to make me whole? A broken timepiece with a borrowed soul. Springs unwind and the pieces scatter, a hollow frame, but does it matter? You hold me close with a steady hand, but the moments slip like grains of sand, counting down what's left to feel, turning cogs that won't reveal. Fix me, I'm falling apart. Every loose screw's a piece of my heart. Can you find the key to make me whole? A broken timepiece with a borrowed soul. With a borrowed soul. Little screws in the shattered face, broken glass in a fragile place, hands frozen in a silent race. Time doesn't heal, it just decays. Fixing time, stitch by stitch, every crack, every glitch. Turn the gears, make them shine, but the past won't rewind. Worn leather straps and rusted gold, a story trapped, too scared to be told. The hours stopped, the truth got cold. Some things are priceless, some are so